Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It is Thursday, October 6th, and I am recording this video because, well, it's a nice day and I haven't done any nature stuff in a while, so I thought it would be nice to treat you guys with something a little bit different. So I hope you enjoy my little adventure around Garden of the Gods. So as you just saw, there's someone rock climbing like right over there-ish. And yeah, but I haven't really recorded a whole bunch of like me talking because it's really awkward given how many people are around. So I hope you guys are enjoying, and yeah. I feel super awkward. It's okay though, because we're getting a thumbnail picture and hopefully it's good. Fast forward to Saturday, October 15th, and I was going back through the footage for this video. I wanted you guys to have something to watch while I was gone on my trip, which I have not actually left yet, which you can see. I have a suitcase behind me, so I'll be doing some packing in a little bit, but I wanted to add a bit more footage because I didn't have enough for a full-length video. So we're just going to be going back to normal vlog type stuff for the rest of this video, but I hope you enjoyed the nature stuff, and I guess also enjoy a little bit of me preparing for my trip. I've already done a little bit of packing, but I figured I would record a little bit more for you guys. But I have a little makeup bag here that I've had like forever, and I decided I should probably, you know, put my makeup in it. Got some little makeup wipes that I've had forever that I just need to use, so I'm gonna put these in here in addition to a little makeup palette that I'll show you and some other stuff that I kind of use regularly. In my little makeup pouch that I will be putting into the bigger one, I will have a small little eyeshadow palette. It's going to be this one. It is the Urban Decay Naked 2 mini palette. Here are the shadows. They're just a bunch of neutral matte colors. I've been using this for a long time. I really like it, so I'm going to be putting this in there in case I want to do something a little bit nicer than my everyday makeup look, which I don't even have on today. So this is going in here. I also have some mascara from Benefit. This is the Roller Lash by Benefit. Absolutely love this stuff, so this is also going in here. And I have a Sephora brow pencil in the color, let me see if I can find it, Rich Chestnut. So just, you know, basic brow pencil, Sephora brand, Rich Chestnut, right? Yeah, Rich Chestnut, and that is going in here. And then my my liquid liner that I've been using, I shared in the last video, is the Maybelline Master Precise All Day Matte Liquid Liner. It is waterproof. This is so much cheaper than the other stuff that I have been using, so love this. And then I have a little mirror, and that's pretty much it. Very basic. But those are some of the makeup products that I am bringing with me. Since it is Saturday and I am not actually leaving until Thursday morning, I can't really do all of my packing, especially the toiletry stuff. So I will be filling these, and there's a third little bottle that I'm gonna have for like soap. And then I've got a little toothbrush holder. So I'm gonna be putting these in here as well, just so that I have them there and they're ready for when I need them and I don't forget them in some random bag. Okay, this is already getting a little bit full with like other things that I had in there as well. So now I have a third one of these that I am putting stuff for like hair. And by that I mean like little hair clips and things. I just like trying to be organized. I've got some extra bobby pins and stuff if I need, and I have, oh, well that's not hair, but I have some like nail files as well, and then I have some extra hair ties. So anything else that's like hair related will go in here. Like my brush, my hairbrush, and I don't know if I need to like bring my detangler or something. I haven't really needed to use that though, not since I got my hair cut, which is pretty great. So yay for having healthy healthy hair. Anyway, I think I'm gonna start figuring out some of the clothing and start packing that. I picked out some shirts and some pajama pants and socks and undies and stuff that are already in there. So time for the shirts. And yeah, I think that's about all I'm gonna do for today in terms of packing, because I feel like I'm doing this a little bit earlier than I would normally. So I don't know, but anyway, I'm packing and it's good to be getting stuff done early. It is now Sunday, and as you know, I've been packing, and I wanted to show you a little thing that I got for my trip. I have a little like egg plush thing. Let me know in the comments if you know why I got this, and who it represents. Because at this point you should know where I am and who I'm with, so, or who I went to see. So yeah. But anyway, I hope you guys I hope you guys enjoyed seeing this, and I hope I hope a certain somebody loves this little egg plush, because as soon as I saw it, I was like, oh, I have to bring. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show you guys today, because I really need to wrap up this vlog. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.